I'm Chelsea Davis, and we've got a big freeway closure happening this weekend. It's going to be on I-10 eastbound. I'm zooming into it so you can see. This is going to happen from 67th Avenue all the way over to 35th Avenue. This is happening Friday 9 p.m. to Monday 4 a.m. This is for the Loop 202 South Mountain Freeway work. They're basically going to be moving the traffic lanes over to the right side so they can work in the median area. Now, the endpoint closure originally through 35th Avenue might move to 43rd Avenue on Saturday, but that's not saving you a bunch of time. You're still going to run into some delays because not only are those main lanes going to be closed, but we're also going to see on-ramp closures too. 91st Avenue, 83rd Avenue, and 75th Avenues. Again, all the way through Monday morning at 4 a.m. You can use Loop 101 to get around. That's a big stretch to get around. That's going to take a lot of extra time. Or you can use McDowell Road and Van Buren Street. Those are just north and south of the I-10. Now, I wanted to warn you about another traffic alert here. This is going to be a closure I-10 westbound just at Saraville Avenue. Then the westbound on-ramp at Estrella Parkway will be impacted too. That's Friday into noon Saturday. So you can use the I-10 frontage road to Citrus Road, or you can use McDowell Road to get by instead. Now, that was a lot of info, but as always, you can stay up to date at abc15.com/traffic, or you can download the free mobile app that we have here. You can track your desert drive times, including conditions, congestion, links to traffic cameras, even where to find the best price to fill up. So have a good weekend, everybody.